In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatter on Salesforce. If you're new to it, Chatter is Salesforce's built-in collaboration tool where teams share quick updates, links, and files right inside the app. It's designed to keep conversations tied to your work, so you don't have to switch between platforms to stay in the loop. Let's start by opening the Chatter page. In your Salesforce app, look along the top navigation bar for the Chatter tab and click it. If you don't see the tab, no worries. Open the app launcher, search for Chatter, and select it from the results. That takes you straight to your Chatter feed. Think of the feed as your activity stream. It shows the most recent posts from the people and work items you're connected to, organized chronologically. Give it a second to load if your organization has a lot going on. If your screen looks different, that's normal. Layouts can vary slightly depending on your Salesforce setup, but the core features are the same. Now, let's post an update. At the top of the Chatter feed, you'll see a box that says something like, Share an update. That's your posting area. Click into it to start typing. Keep your message clear and to the point. Begin with the main takeaway, then add any helpful context below. If you're referencing a project or deadline, include those details so your teammates know exactly what you're talking about. You can share more than just text. To add a link, paste the URL right into your message. Many times, Salesforce will show a quick preview, which helps your audience understand what they're about to open. To attach a file, use the Upload option in the post box, and pick a document or image from your device. Choose a file that's relevant and named clearly so it's easy to find later. Keep in mind that large files may take a moment to upload, so wait for the progress indicator to finish before you publish. When your update looks good, click Share. Your post will appear in the feed immediately, and teammates who follow the same areas of work can see it and respond. If you notice a typo right away, you can simply remove the post and share a corrected version. As a best practice, avoid sharing sensitive or personal information and make your message actionable so others know what you need or what's changed. That's it. You've opened Chatter and shared an update with text, links, or files. With these basics, you're ready to communicate efficiently right inside Salesforce.